Right, what is up, yo? Today we're gonna get these bad boys prepped for molding. So yes, the Kaiser SCI is gonna help us make a mold for these to make them carbon fiber. I've always wanted these to be carbon fiber, but they just don't make them for my model, which sucks. I hate everyone that makes shit for Hondas because you guys leave out the best Hondas. So for the first fucking part of this video, we are gonna push this back like that. Cool. Stay focused on it too. Okay, and inside is gonna be 2 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 4, but 2 clips, and then the top 2 just come straight. Oh my god, bro, I swear to Christ, I hate you racers. Now we're gonna start for real. There's 2 clips, 1, 2, and then the top 2 just come straight down. Okay, so we're gonna push this back and reach in here and grab the 2 clips, which. So now you're just gonna pull up on the mirror. It's gonna be that black glue right there. It'll expand, it'll like stretch. Just pull up until like there's hardly any left, and then just pull the mirror straight down. Boom. Shabam. So now to take off the actual cap, there's gonna be 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think that's 1 little tab. So you just press, just push on that. Pull these to the side, pull these to the side, pull this one up, pull this one up. Oh my god! Well, it's supposed to be a little bit smoother, but yeah. There she is, all in the glory. Boom. So yeah, now we're left with just the bones. We're gonna put the mirror back. Cool. We're good. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one now. That's how you do it, basically. Same thing for the other side, and then let's go deliver them to Kaiser. Good morning, everyone. God damn it. Alright, it's the next day. Well, it's not the next day, it's like 4 days later. And Kaiser finally finished them. Here they are. They look amazing. Look at that weave. He did an amazing job, honestly. I am really impressed. The fitment is really great. See. Fantastic. I'm already getting DMs of who made it and all this other stuff, and I tagged him. Yeah, no one seems to realize that that's the person that made him, Kaiser. So hit him up if you want him. Looks great. Looks so good. I think every car should have carbon mirrors. They look so good. But yeah, go ahead, hit him up. His Instagram will be on the screen one more time. And yeah, thank you guys, and let me know what you think of that mirror cap install, and what do you think of the actual caps themselves, and give guys a follow. So look at that, beautiful work. She's complete now with that. Yup. That's amazing. Hit the boy up. He took care of me, took care of you. Sexy.